Ready? Oh, I took the flash off. Okay, ready, go.
What do you want me to do? Oh my god, Gigi! Why are you filming us? Oh shit. I can't walk no more. I'm like dizzy right now.
Enrique sleeping.
Hey, Coco.
Damn, that's a big butt, Kimberly.